Hi all, welcome to my channel. Let's make some cinnamon rolls today. Take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour maida, 1 cup of wheat flour atta, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Take 1 cup of warm milk and make a soft dough out of it. Take 40 ml of coconut oil, pour little at a time and work it into the dough. Knead it until it's soft and not sticky to your hands. Put aside. For the filling, take 1/4 cup coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of finely ground cinnamon powder and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Alternatively, you could use some butter or sunflower oil. Now powder the surface and flatten the dough from all the ends evenly. Spread the mixture onto the dough. Now gently roll in the dough as shown. The baking pan. Divide the pieces. Take one piece, tuck the end underneath and give it a beautiful shape. Press it gently on the baking tray. Cover it with cling foil and let it rest for 40 minutes or until doubled in size. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Remove the cling foil and place the baking tray inside the oven when it's done. Let it bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Make a simple sugar glaze or enjoy it as it is with your tea or coffee.